What's up, crypto heroes? Joseph bringing you a crypto tip here. I think it's a very important tip for any cryptocurrency trader or any trader for that matter, but for sure crypto because that's what we're focused on here. And I'm bringing you the Bitcoin chart on a 4-hour time frame right now. This works on 2 hours as well, but we're not going to be looking at 2 hours. It does work on a whole day time frame too, but it's very much drawn out. 4 hours you can get much better ins and outs for trades, or just get better dollar cost average pricing, right? So let's just start off here at the top. So we got the 2 and the 4 hour time frames that this really works on the best. The RSI, the relative strength index, when it gets close to 70 or over 70, you gotta wait. When it's getting up here, right here, this is the relative strength index. When it gets up here, you must wait. You don't want to get in and purchase the top, right? You want to wait here, RSI 35 or below, which is the buy zone for you, right? You got to buy down here. And then if you do want to sell, you could sell up here in these areas, right? You could purchase down here, sell up here. Now, if you did that, I think each one of these is roughly around about 12% for that one. This one here, 11% for that one. Just in case, just in case you bought this one here, 8% for that one, right? Or if you bought down there, I think that's another 12%, right? So you got 3 opportunities here where you can get about 10 to 12%, and this is over about a month, a little over a month and a week's time frame. I mean, that's a pretty amazing time that you could, get almost 30% or more on your investments, right? Going in and out of these things. Now, that's only if you want to trade these things. A lot of people in the cryptocurrency world just want to be able to buy their cryptocurrency at the best prices possible, and they don't really want to trade in and out because they're not traders, right? But you don't want to be purchasing all your cryptocurrency at the very top of the market, because that's when usually people will be purchasing their crypto, right? They see all these green candles, they're getting FOMO, they're fear of missing out, and they just say, okay, I'm going to buy in here because I'm thinking it's going to go up to like 120,000. But what happens? It goes down to 95,000, right? 103 down to 95. Now, of course, this could happen where, it might have went up to 120K. Okay, you missed your opportunity, but then you can always get another opportunities to get in. You just don't want to buy on those massive green days. So if you pull up your chart and you have your RSI indicator down here, you need to put 70 up top, 50 in the middle, 30 at the bottom. Double click on it like this. Make sure that's lined up exactly like you need to. Press apply. Then if you're coming to your day and you're like, oh man, this is at 70, you got to be patient. You have to be willing to say, okay, I'm not going to get in. I'm going to wait for this thing to get down here to a 35 or below. Then I'll get my position. There's 10, 20, 30, 50 other coins that you could be looking at at the same time, figuring out where they are with this same time frame as well. And you have other opportunities to purchase on those. So, but if you're wanting to just pick maybe 5 coins and you want to be able to do this on with, some of them might be on the same time frames, right? They all might be up at the same time. They might be down at the same time. So maybe you want to try to figure out a couple different coins that kind of work opposite from each other, right? So you can have those good times for one and the bad times for the other, right? So you can kind of be choosing and picking when you want to go into each one. But okay, so here you got 70 overbought. Don't buy because it's overbought, right? Stay away from it. You want to purchase down here, right? 30. Oh, below a 35, below a 30, below a 30, and again here 30 again. This is today's price action right now, right? So now could this break down even more? Certainly, it could definitely come down here to 85K, 80K probably, if it does break down. But we don't know if that's going to happen. This thing could just take off. When it's oversold like this, it doesn't stay down there that long, right? It can stay down there for a little while, but it's already been down here for a little while, right? We don't stay down there that long when we're down there. So most likely what's going to happen is that this thing's going to start going up again, reclaiming some of these prices up here from a 92 all the way up to like 98, 97 or something. And you might be able to get a good trade there, right? Purchasing right here, right now, it goes up there, that's 6%, even if it goes up to that point, up to 97K. Now, I'm not a day trader here, right? I don't do day trading right now. But if you're willing to take that chance, you could potentially do that, because we're on that 30. It's oversold, and we're most likely going to be having at least a bounce up here to the 50, right? Like it does. So I wanted to show you that though. I think it's a really great tool to be able to use. And if you're not using this RSI on your charts when you're looking at cryptocurrencies, you definitely need to, because you're going to be too emotional and you're going to be buying the tops. And I've done it many times before I started looking at these things and using indicators when I was brand new in the cryptocurrency. all I was doing is listening to hype and news, and people just saying, "Oh, I'm making 500%. I'm making 10x, and I'm 100x my money." Like, it happens all the time. You get overhyped, but you don't have to get swayed by those people that are just going crazy on YouTube and all these other places. You can just pull this thing up and say, "Hey, yeah, this YouTube person saying Bitcoin is the best opportunity to buy right now." We pull it up and is that 70? Probably not, right? I mean, maybe it is potentially, right? But this thing's going sideways right now. So when Bitcoin's going sideways and it's not on this massive bull run, then this is when this thing works the best. So wanted to show you that. Hopefully that helps out. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to go ahead and do that. Subscribe. I'd love to be able to have you here as part of the team. All right, Crypto Hero out.